Olympus, ESA's jumping robot that could leap into Mars's untouched terrain. Meet Olympus, the European Space Agency's four-legged robot designed to explore the Moon and Mars. In recent tests at ESA's orbit facility in the Netherlands, it showed off its ability to jump and reorientate itself under simulated Martian gravity, about 38% of Earth's pull. Olympus was mounted upside down on a friction-free air cushion platform. Imagine an air hockey table for robots. This allowed engineers to test its agility in conditions similar to those on Mars without the dust and danger. Using reinforcement learning, Olympus taught itself how to control its orientation and land on all 4 feet, even when the platform spun. It performed wall-to-wall jumps with remarkable stability. Unlike wheeled rovers, Olympus can leap over obstacles and even venture into lava tubes or caverns, terrain that's off limits to most current robotic explorers. With agility, intelligence and a knack for keeping its balance, Olympus could one day help astronauts reach parts of Mars that have never been explored before, in just a few leaps. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.